So we are in a village.
Waterfalls.
Oh, you're spoiling my video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm Hinduja. So today I'm in Manali and there's different villages in Manali and the village name we are staying in?
Khaknal.
Khaknal. Okay, nearby our room there is a small waterfall, so let's go and visit it. Come with me. Well, if you're new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So we actually rented a house which is placed top of the hill so that we can enjoy a beautiful view. So if you want anything to buy like groceries or shopping whatever, you have to get down. So enjoy the view from here. It's a damn great view. We actually go every day for a morning walk, and that time I will be playing over there, so I'll be keep on running up and down. It's a great time for me. Okay, fine, don't waste time, let's go. So we'll be going by walk and I'll be showing you such a beautiful flowers, plants, trees, there is a dog, such a cute dogs, but I am so scared of them, but they are really so friendly and nice. So let's give a try today what happens. We are almost near, we completed half of the way, so you guys can see all the way so many apple trees. There are no apples, but those pink flowers, they look so cute and beautiful. And just imagine guys, cool climate with such a beautiful sunshine, greenery around you. Oh my god, it's just like a heaven. So we got a new friend here, like he was playing there with him. So I was like, it's time to go, let's go. So we are almost near and I was like, let's go, we have to go, we have to move on, you can't play with the dog. As a dog lover, I know how much you feel, but we have no time, let's go. So finally we are here. So we are here, let's go in. We have to go into a forest. So we have to get into the forest. So it's a very small way. So yeah, so you have to climb stones. You will enjoy the way guys. Okay, the waterfalls is located in Khaknal village and the village is 8 kilometers away from Old Manali. So finally, we are in the place. Here you go, Sajla waterfall. So finally, one of my dream came true, dancing in the waterfalls. As you guys can see, we made some more new friends. He was like playing with dogs almost all the time. And there are 2-3 restaurants over there, so we are sitting beside the waterfalls and having some Maggie. Was another level of experience, guys. So the experience is wonderful and I'm so happy, where I really enjoyed dancing in the waterfalls. And you guys can see I'm scared of dogs, but I love dogs, and yes, we exist. But today I'm so happy that my husband encouraged me to and he helped me out to have a good relationship with dogs. So yeah, so you can see we have taken few pictures near waterfall. So I hope you enjoy the video. So I will be coming up with next video. Until then, bye bye, see you.